Laser welding, laser cleaning, welding seam cleaning, laser cutting, battery welding, 5-in-1 laser machine, Mactron multifunctional laser welding and cleaning machine, welding mode. Various copper nozzle meet different welding requests. 6-spot modes, exquisite welds. Built-in wobble welding, wobble width up to 5 millimeters. The weld strength of laser welding is higher than that of the parent body. The heat-affected zone of laser welding is extremely small. The weld is smooth and beautiful, without scars or discoloration. The weld is uniform and dense, and no subsequent grinding is required, which can achieve high-quality welding effects. Cleaning mode. Different working modes suitable for different cleaning request. Laser cleaning can remove oxide layers, rust, paint, and oil stains on metal surfaces. It is a non-contact operation that will not damage the surface of the substrate, thus protecting the integrity of the workpiece. Welding seam cleaning. Improve the quality before welding and the visual performance after welding. Cutting mode. Suitable for cutting thinner metal materials such as steel plates, aluminum plates, and copper plates. Battery welding. It can achieve high-quality sealing and conductivity and improve the overall safety performance of the battery.